Welcome back to Talkin' Winter Ops. I'm Rick Nelson, and today I want to introduce a series of briefings we've recorded with organizations working in the winter maintenance and road weather space. Now, there is so much work being accomplished every day, either directly in the weather related operations field or indirectly as part of other mission critical work. Whether it's winter maintenance, road weather, maintenance decision support, or ITS, it's difficult to keep pace and recognize which of their contributions your agency may be able to take advantage of. And now that's what this series is all about, to showcase the work these organizations are accomplishing in short, easy to digest segments with contact information and website links so you can follow up on those projects that might just be relevant to your operations. So, on behalf of the ASHTO Committee on Maintenance, their Maintenance Operations Technical Working Group, and the Winter Weather Management Technical Service Program, we're proud to host the 2024 National Winter Maintenance and Road Weather Briefing. This year, we were able to connect with over a dozen organizations who are doing some very interesting work to advance the state of the practice in severe weather response. I had a great time connecting and reconnecting with all the folks from the various organizations to produce this year's series, and I want to thank each and every one of them for joining me and sharing their important works. I hope you'll be able to take a few minutes over the next few days to listen in on these briefings and share what they have to report with your colleagues. You may just find a few golden nuggets there to help you achieve your winter maintenance mission. You can listen in to all the briefings and other Talkin' Winter Ops episodes on our website, talkinwinterops.com, or wherever you get your podcast content. Video versions are available on our Talkin' Winter Ops YouTube channel. So until next time, stay safe out there.